Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices, plug your iPhone into the computer and unlock it so iTunes or the music app can communicate. Make sure the app is updated, and if prompted, tap Trust on the iPhone. This establishes a secure link. Next, decide whether you want iCloud Music Library enabled for automatic sync or a manual transfer. Choosing now prevents duplicate tracks. Once done, open iTunes or Music, select the device icon, and move to the next step to choose content. Now you configure what actually moves to your iPhone. In the device view, click Music and check Sync Music. This activates transfer options. You can pick your entire library for a complete copy or selected playlists, artists, albums, and genres to save space. Make sure to tick secondary options like include music videos or voice memos if you need them, and use the Convert Higher Bitrates option to preserve compatibility. Once selections look right, press Apply or Sync. Wait for progress to begin. Finish by watching the sync progress until it reaches 100%. Do not disconnect during transfer, and once complete, click the eject icon before unplugging. If tracks are missing, make sure iCloud Music Library is on or reopen the Music tab to verify your selected playlists and albums. Sometimes unchecking and rechecking items forces a resend. For persistent issues, restart both devices, update your OS and iTunes/Music app, and swap the cable. This resolves most connection and transfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.